Hi, I'm Steph, and I'm here on Lake Hall with someone pretty cool. I'm here with my girlfriend Leah, and she actually just recently had shoulder surgery, so she can't paddle right now. So we are on my stand-up paddleboard that can also be a tandem kayak, and I am solo paddling. So we actually are it's just a beautiful day here in Tallahassee, and we are just enjoying the water, and we are also going to enjoy a snackle box today and a couple of trail drinks that I spotted at Trader Joe's, and the marketing was so good that I bought them right then and there, and I said we need to go take them kayaking, and yes, that's what we're gonna do. So come join us as we just have a nice beautiful day here on the water. Because it's so pretty. We just found a wonderful little area to the side with moss covered tree. I mean, this is so Florida. I love it. So we're gonna set up our snackle box and enjoy this amazing, wonderful day. So we have these really cool drinks that I found at Trader Joe's, and they said that they're good for hiking and kayaking, and I was like, they're speaking my language. So these are they're called trail friendly libations, and it is apple cider, hard apple cider, lime juice, blackberry, mint, lots of stuff that I like. So we're gonna try them. Leah's gonna get the little purple, it's kind of like a life jacket thing, but it has handles for her since she only has one arm. She has two arms, only one working shoulder. And then I have the little life jacket one because it's super cute. So we got our little beverages. Nailed it? Nailed it? Okay. So we're going to try our beverages. Both of us, are you a fan of hard cider?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. It's usually a little too sweet for me, so we'll see.
Cheers.
Let's try it.
It tastes like juice.
It tastes like juice. I don't taste the mint. It's good.
It is very good.
It's very much it doesn't taste, it's 5% alcohol. But
it's like apple cider.
Yeah, it's really good. It does feel like a nice, light thing to drink on the trail or kayaking with a snackle box. It's perfect. We have some cheese variety. These are Gideon's cookies, which are the best cookies in the world. These are crackers. These are nuts and apricots. This is Dot's mix, like Chex mix. Something like that. This is vegetables, and this is freeze-dried strawberries. Yum, yum. We snackled hard. We finished our snackle box. It was pretty great. What do you think?
It was great.
Yeah?
Yep. Delicious.
I think it was a great combination of things. I'm full. I'm full of snackle.
I am too.
We snackled and now we're standing.
Yes. On our sup.
On our sup. The camera did just fall in the water. That was the oopsie moment on Leah's part.
That's not my fault.
She accidentally pushed it in the water.
I did
Forgot
not.
there was a camera there. That was her bad.
It was the wind.
Sorry, my bad. It was the wind. It was the wind. There's a boat coming by. We're gonna get some waves. Oh, that'd be so fun. They're what do you call it? They're like on a tube.
Yeah, tubing.
Oh, I used to do that with on Lake Talcon with my friend. Her mom would pull us in a boat like that. That's so fun. And then she tried to knock us off. Man, I want to do that.
Well, ask me.
I'll see if I can get in their tube with them. Can I join you in your tube? That's so fun. But ours didn't have a back. I feel
That's
like
such a relaxing tubing.
That feels like it'd be so fun. Leah's taking a little nap after her snackle box. Look at you. One-handed paddle.
Kind of.
We are almost back from our little paddling adventure today, enjoying the snackle. So, Leah, what did you think of your first snackle kayaking adventure?
It was perfect. Perfect weather, perfect company, perfect snacks.
Did you have a nice relaxing time?
I did. I got to nap while I got to be paddled around. Perfect.
Pretty epic. All right, well, we're gonna get back and get all packed up and just deflate the paddleboard, which is nice, pretty easy. And hope you enjoyed this. And as always, I hope you have a great day.